Hello everyone, my name is Ayed, and today I want to teach you how to use three similar words, most, almost, and mostly. In Japanese, all three of these can be translated as hotondo. However, they have different meanings, so if you use the wrong one, you might say something crazy. Let me give you an example. Almost Japanese people love sushi. What does this mean? It means ほとんどの日本人は寿司が好きです. Right? Right? Wrong. Why? What's the problem? Let me explain. Almost is not ほとんどの. It is similar to 何々に近いけどそうじゃない. We use it in sentences like I am almost finished with my homework. 私は課題が終わってそうです。けどまだ終わってない. Or I almost died yesterday. 私は昨日死ぬところだった. If you imagine your goal is reaching 100%, almost is about 95%. It's close to 100%, but it's not 100%. So, almost Japanese people love sushi actually means 日本人に近いけど日本人じゃない人はお寿司が好きです. Who is that? I have lived in Japan for a long time. I am まるで日本人. So, is that me? If you want to say ほとんどの日本人, you should use most Japanese people. Most is ほとんどの. For example, if there are 100 Japanese people, 95 of them like sushi and 5 don't. It's not everyone, but it's close. It's ほとんどの人. What about mostly? Mostly is similar to almost. Mostly is ほとんど, but it can also mean 大体, ほぼ, or 主に. So, if you say mostly Japanese people love sushi, this means the sushi が好きな人 are ほぼ日本人, but not totally 日本人. So maybe their grandmother is Australian? We use mostly like this. I am mostly finished with my homework. 私は課題をほとんど完成している. My students are mostly good students. 私の生徒は大体いい学生です. Mostly. So remember, if you want to say ほとんどの, it's best to use most. If you want to say 惜しいけどそうじゃない, use almost. And if you want to say 大体 or 主に, use mostly. I hope this helps. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and see you next time.